Today we're going to be doing Lab 8.1.2, which is SYN flood denial of service attack. Yeah. Just find that Lab06. Just reserve. Proceed. Just wait for initialization. So our first step is to open up to the Kali virtual machine and log in with the credentials student and password. And next we are told to open Google Chrome and go to the website 192.168 or an IP address, but it's a website as well, on the Google Chrome instance. So we're told to leave the browser window open on Kali and open the Metasploitable VM. And next we are told to log in here with the credentials MSF-admin and MSF-admin. Told to open the statistics for network connections by doing netstat-atn less, which is just a netstat command. So here we have a list of the connected IP local addresses. Alright. So as you can see here, I need to just redo it because I didn't do it fast enough. Oops, not to that. Okay, let me just control with that. Go back and then. Oh, there we go. So we see one connection that says oops. I'm pretty sure that is Kali. Oh, there we go. Established. So we are told that a connection has been established. You can't see my cursor here, but if you read, I'll just put that in the middle. 192.168.100.200, which is the Metasploitable IP address at the standard port of 80 for HTTP services. And we're getting connected to by 192.168.100.103 at port 49238. We're told next to exit this and close our browser instance on Kali. So we're going to move on to the next part 2 of this, which is to open Ubuntu, log in with admin user, and use the password. Give it a moment to load, and next we're told to open the terminal on Ubuntu and use the hping3 tool. Let me just type it in, which will send a synchronized flood to the Metasploitable device, which is to send a synchronized to so and not respond with an acknowledgement. So we fill up the website with requests. So we're going to type the command sudo, which is super user do, hping3 -- flood -d 200 -s at port 80 at the IP address 192.168.1.100.200. So flood will send packets at top speed to the computer. Each packet size will be 200 bytes. We're told to flag it as a synchronize, and we're telling the machine to flag each packet as a synchronize flag, and we're telling it also to send that to that specific port number. Enter, and we are now asked for credentials. Of course, we just enter password once again. Oops, did I miss? Oh, excuse me, hping3. Okay, so it's going to start now to send it. We're told to enter the metasploitable instance and type the command netstat atn-c, which is different from the last time because we're telling it to be continuous. And if we look now, we'll see a constant flood of synchronize RECV coming in, which is we are receiving synchronized requests from another machine. Now we're next told to move to the Kali VM and go open an instance of Google Chrome. And now we're going to try to open the website once again. As you can see, the website is unreachable because our request is being outflooded by hundreds of SYN RECV requests. Now, if we want to, of course, let ourselves use the website again, we can, of course, Control-C the flood of pings and go back to the Kali. If we try to connect to it again, you'll see that it comes up. That's about it.